Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find accounts section. Let's tap on it. Let me get back because as you can see here we've got actually whole Google section, and after tapping on it you can do everything that I will show you using this section. So here you can manage your Google account, here you can remove it and add new one, but actually I personally prefer to do it using the account section. So let's enter here, and firstly I will show you how to remove the Google account I've previously added to this device. So simply tap on it and tap on remove account. We have to tap on remove account again, and as you can see it is very easy, it immediately disappears from the list, so it means that we successfully removed it. So in order to add new one we have to tap on add account, or as I said, go back to the Google section. So let's tap on it. Here we have to choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new Google account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept, and as you can see our Google account immediately appears on this list. So well, actually that's all. This is how to manage a Google account in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.